Alright, so we're gonna change over this chassis on my Baja 5T. It's actually broken. I didn't know it was broken until I was cleaning it. See it there, it's broken right at the front, the kick-up plate. Can't really see it because it's kind of dark. So I'm gonna change it over. First time doing this, so we've got to take off everything. Everything we've got to take off to get to it. Alright, let's get to work. First we're gonna do, we're gonna take out this battery tray. Right, we're gonna disconnect the servo linkage. Right, it's disconnected. Okay, see that? That's out. Put that over there. See it there? Alright, we're going to the back now, do this fuel tank, disconnect that now. What I do, I put the screws back where I take them out so I don't get mixed up. I think this should pull off now. There we go. See that? I'm gonna have to, because all the weight is on one side, I'm gonna have to try and balance it somehow. Right. Let's put that on the floor. We're getting there, we're getting there. You see it there? See where it snapped? And you see where it broke right there? See that? That broke there. We can see that. Alright, we got a package here. These are the parts I ordered from Custom Coatings, whatever they're called. Oh, he packaged this really well, he did. He wrapped this up well. There it is. So we got some parts there for the Baja and for the Lossy X2 as well. We got a clutch there, spare clutch, and an outerwear sort of thing for the pull start. We got a Hostile spare spur gear. Not wrong with the one I got, but I thought I'd buy a spare. There's the outer ring gear for the diff, the rear diff. There's the pull for the pull start, a spare one. There we got a pinion. I should have bought a bearing as well, but forgot. And here it is, the main thing I bought. We got a plastic Kraken chassis here. There it is, the Kraken chassis, and this thing was not cheap, as you know. It was not cheap, but hopefully it should last and be a lot stronger than the stock one. Right, there it is. It's got some metal in here, reinforced. You can see it in there as well. Alright, let's get building, let's get building. There we go. We got that off. I've never taken this apart, you know. I've had this car since, boy, about 7 or 8 years now. So this is the first time I'm actually taking this apart like that. There it is, that's the broken bit. Alright, we're going to put this on now. is a bit tricky. Putting this on, so how are we gonna do? Oh, that's got to go on top.
Several other specialist squads. He's incredibly talented. There's a whole range of people in the match who really deserve the best job, and I think they probably should have been made commissioner instead of Cressida did.
Alright, that's one half done. The front bit is now on. We could do the back piece now.
Anything that she's really done while being in office, but I think that she's had at least the integrity to see that
Let's do the back bit.
everything's not right in her office.
Get that out of the way.
Or under her sort of command. And she, who, as you say, only this morning was saying she had no intention of resigning. She spoke to me briefly and was defiant and said that, you know, she felt she'd led the Metropolitan Police well. It was a very good New York Commissioner of Police who massively reduced crime. And I was quite tempted to actually offer him the job. But then he'd just been appointed to run another job in America, and so that wasn't going to work. And I think literally there are quite some good people around the world who could come and do this job, as well as good people in Britain.
Ken, thank you very much for joining us. That's Ken Livingstone, the former Mayor of London. Now, we've got a statement from the Home Secretary, Priti Patel, and it's quite short, so I'll just read it to you. I'd like to thank Home Secretary for the nearly 4 decades of her life that she's devoted to serving the public, latterly as Commissioner of the Metropolitan Police. She would be the first to say that she's held the role during challenging times, yet for nearly 5 years she's undertaken her duties with a steadfast dedication to protecting our capital city and its people, including during the unprecedented period of the pandemic. Leading the Met is also involved driving our national counter-terrorism capability at a time of multiple threats, while as the first woman to hold the post, she's exemplified the increasingly diverse nature of our police and demonstrated that all can aspire to hold leadership roles in that have done this. I can understand why people might think that, but Sadiq Khan is a member of the opposing party. I cannot for the life of me get how anybody can think that he wants to have a dead cat story to hide the Downing Street investigation. Do you agree?
I agree. I mean, I think this is about Cressida's ability to turn around the Metropolitan Police. It's about the lack of trust. It's about the plethora of schools. So it's a failed Stephen Court homophobic
my bloody foot.
Peter Henry and Nicole Smallman murders, the missing person inquiry and the subsequent ghoulish photographs that were taken.
Alright, we've got that off.
The failed Daniel Morgan investigation and the where she's talked about.
Alright, so it's going to be a bit of an awkward one, this. I have to balance that on my knees. And put this on.
Got promoted from detective sergeant to detective chief inspector, and people are wondering, well, how can these things happen?
Just a final question on the future. You know all the main contenders, I guess, from within the Met. There are obviously many chief constables around the country who I imagine would quite like the job, or there may be people from outside the country. We've been talking about that a little bit. Who's your hot tip?
Oh. Well, there you are.
Alright, so we put the chassis on now, as you can see, but we're going to take out the bolts at the bottom one by one and Loctite them in.
Is the Met, where every hour of every day our people perform heroic acts. We are more accountable, we are more transparent, we are more open than ever, and we have even as much to do. And I know that the Met has turned its full attention to rebuilding trust and confidence and to raising our standards. I am very optimistic for the future of the Met and for London. Thank you to everyone in the Met, and indeed all those who work with us, for the extraordinary efforts you make each and every day. The Met is nearly 200 years old. We have had women officers for just over 101 years. It is truly an utterly extraordinary organisation and police service. The public depend on you, my colleagues, for your professionalism, your courage, your compassion and your integrity. You make a huge difference to people's lives every day. Thank you.
Dame Cressida Dick there speaking a few moments ago. Well, let's get some reaction to that from Nikki Aiken, who is Conservative MP for the cities of London and Westminster. Nikki, is this the right call?
I don't think it is, to be honest, Ian. I think at a time when
Last one.
the Commissioner is in the middle of the...
That she needed to be given a chance to deal with the issues. Well, I think she's been given a lot of chances.
Oh no,
Multiple chances. Sophia Usher was
my screwdriver's buggered.
back. I think
Oh well,
she's got a literally a failure.
I've had that for over 20 years, you know.
Lasted this
Oh well,
Alex, thank you very much for this. Here from David Lammy.
it was good while it lasted. Oh well.
Sadiq Khan is right. That's a surprise. The Met needs cultural change to root out the discrimination that still exists. The cases of misconduct that have been revealed recently have been deeply disturbing. Only new leadership can rebuild public confidence in the police in London and elsewhere. One has COVID-19.
Right, we're gonna check the clutch.
They breathe it out in parts.
Last time I had it out,
Like smoke.
I think that's the issue with it. Let's see. It weren't quite running right, you know.
Open windows to disperse these particles. Just 10 minutes every now and again is enough to help. Stop COVID-19 hanging around.
You're a visionary, an entrepreneur, a passionate business owner, driven by results and poised for growth. You need opportunity. They easily match businesses of all sizes.
Oh, one more screw.
Council, NHS and national government contracts. Just sign up, match with tenders, and they'll help with the rest. Now is the time. Seize your opportunity. Get your free trial at opportunity.com.
Right, let's take some more text. Stephen says hats off to Khan. He's shown great
So
leadership
that,
and has
yeah,
been
I knew it.
highest
I knew it. Look
to
at
do
that.
what Boris will never do, make the tough
Clock
decisions,
spring
get
is
rid of the
broken.
poor performers and be seen to commit to improving things for the taxpayer. Let's get someone in who can shake up the mess the Mets in.
Don't know if you can see that. Let me pull it down. See that? Look at that.
report proved that there was. It was at that point
Clock spring broken.
that the scales dropped from my eyes because I thought
Some
you cannot
preventive
get
maintenance here. I thought before I put this car back together, let me just check it because it wasn't running right last time.
Ian, I totally agree with you. And then people saying she's not apologised.
Alright, so we just got the brake pads off. I thought I'd check them. Did me clean up a lot. You see that there's a gap in between them, so I'm going to have to file it down a bit. So they're shut. So they're closed properly. So they're closed flush.
Hey, business types, listen up. There's a whole new way to keep your peak better connected. Circle Loop, the smart new cloud-based phone system. With a juicy and succulent patty, co-created with Beyond Meat, a delicious vegan cheese alternative, vegan salad sauce, juicy tomato, onions, crisp lettuce, and of course gherkins. Or not, the choice is always yours. It's our iconic taste, plant-based.
That's better now, isn't it? Look.
Visit mcdonalds.co.uk/.
So that shut's flush now.
After 11 AM, subject to availability.
Yeah, a bit of preventive maintenance going on today.